What's going on, guys? Let's take a look at Sofi Technologies. Okay, if you were watching one of my earlier videos that I was making, I was talking about I'll get to it in a second, but I'll get to the levels that I was talking about in a second. Okay, so insane move today. Why do we have this move? You had Jim Cramer on CNBC pumping this thing up in the morning. You know, people have been waiting, people have been holding, people have been down, they've been waiting. So any kind of little momentum on this stock, it was going to get a good ramp. It did get a good ramp here. You know, right off the bell, just absolutely exploded. We went all the way from low 15s all the way up to 16. And as soon as we got that second hour candle here, just confirmed that price action, shot up higher. And then we kind of just rode the Bollinger Band in a 5-day moving average all day. Obviously, end of the day, we did sell off a little bit into the after hours, which is completely fine. So let me talk about what I was talking about as far as the levels. You know, when we were riding down here, I said what we have to watch for is, do we come down here to this $14 area? We got close. We came down to $14.72 right here on July 27th. This was a potential loading zone. So I was calling this a loading zone, saying that we did have some previous structure down in this area. We do have the linear regression line down here. We did have the lower Bollinger Bands down here. How much more could they have pushed this stock down? You know, it's already been pretty beaten up going back just a month or so. So one of the key levels that we need to look for here is, were we able to reclaim the moving averages, the 5 and the 10? We did that early. We got that pump up. We also reclaimed the 20-day moving average. Very, very bullish. However, we are rejected at the 200-day moving average. Okay, so we got rejected at the 200-day moving average. You can see here, going back to July 21st, we were also, let me take this white trend line off. We were also rejected here on July 21st. July 21st, we had this great move up just like we did today. We got rejected at the 200-day moving average. We tried to follow through the following day, and then we just could not do it, got rejected. So a big area. Let me take off this old trend line. I've been looking at the stock for a while. Okay, here we are again at the 200-day moving average. We did get rejected. However, if we can confirm today's highs, taking out these two previous channels, reclaiming the 200-day moving average, this potentially has room to stretch, get into the 17s again. So if you feel like you're late to the party, do not chase anywhere below the 200-day moving average. So anything below 1658, do not chase. Okay, don't get in here at 16. Don't get in here at 1578. Confirm the 200-day moving average. Get over that 1560 area, 1575 area. Get over these previous candles here. Let's get on top of that. Let's back test that, and let's bounce off of that. So we want to confirm today's price action. We want to confirm these two channels here. Remember, do not feel like you missed out. Do not get in at the 15s. Do not do it, because if this gets rejected again, it will come back down here to low 15s. Okay, it will. And then you'll be able to have your opportunity to get into to load up there. Just let this confirm the 200-day moving average. I think as soon as we confirm the 200-day moving average, that would break us out of this downtrend here. We would be targeting 1730s for a short-term trade. Obviously, the bigger trade would be 1878. You are going to get a little bit of resistance in here because we do have supply. However, the big trade comes as soon as we get over 1915. That's going to be reclaiming this 50-day moving average. If we can reclaim the 50-day moving average, this thing could potentially explode 23, 54. And you're going to really wish that you were loading up down here. If you were watching my last video, loading up in the 12s, or I mean, excuse me, in the 15s. If you're loading up here in the 15s, and we do happen in the next few months to go back to 23, who's better than you? You guys made a fantastic move. If you did trade this stock today off the pump, congratulations. Excellent trade. Up $1.28 on the day, 8.5%, close at 1639. So guys, if you could please like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, drop me a comment, let me know, did you trade this? Are you in it? Are you holding? What's the story? Also, guys, I do have a Discord. That link is down in the description box below. I am active the first 3 to 4 hours of the market, 5 days a week. I also got a great group of traders in there as well. Come talk, hang out, you know, whatever. But I will see you guys all on the next video.